Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing, or really unpouching, rather, to share with you guys. This was sent to me by Kansept. Thank you so much to Kansept for sending this in for me to take a look at. If it's something I can link, I will absolutely link it right down in the description. I believe you can get this right now, so it'd be cool if you checked out my links, but that's up to you. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. Link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, so what do we have here? It feels kind of tiny. I have a feeling I know what it is. Wait a second. Complex, you've unboxed that before. No. No, this is this is the Kansept Mini Korvid, but they decided to do, oh my god, a titanium frame lock version of it. Why? I don't know. Why not, right? We're already looking at something that doesn't make a lot of sense. This is so funny. So I think it's the curvature and just the angle of the flipper tab. The Korvid, it's like I said in the review, or in the unboxing of the other one. There's a budget version of this, which is, it's actually still relatively expensive, right? Listen, let's get this out of the way. This is a small knife. It's kind of a humorous object, right? Kansept isn't taking themselves too seriously with this. Because it's titanium and S35VN, it's going to be more expensive. If it's hard for you to wrap your brain around the idea of a small object that makes big money, well, that's what this is, so sorry. You might just have to, take some headache medication and have a nap. But yeah, this is funny. It's like I said in the unboxing of the less expensive one. It's odd that such a small knife is so easy to manipulate. I'm not saying that it's like, it's just as easy as a larger knife. The exact same, I mean, because they do make an XL version of this. It's obviously the bigger one is much easier to manipulate, but it's funny how easy this one is to manipulate. Despite this being a very short area, you do have to keep your fingers off the lock bar, but you know what? You can do it. And then if you get it just right, you can front flip it. Okay, neat. I mean, I can't imagine there's like, thousands of people ready to beat down doors to get the titanium and S35VN Mini Korvid in their collection. But I don't know, maybe. I mean, it's kind of neat, right? This is mostly going to be, it's mostly going to be a novelty. It's mostly going to be something that you, sorry, I'm bending over getting a piece of paper, so the audio is probably lopsided. It's probably going to be something that you use to, whoops, missed the edge there. Used to, I don't know, cut things open at your desk, right? It'll slice. It's kind of, you can see what it's doing there to the paper. It's not an incredibly thin edge, but it will slice. Sometimes it takes a sec to catch it, right? But yeah, it does a pretty good job. I mean, for, the geometry that we're working for there. I don't know how much that costs, but like I said, it's probably still relatively expensive. I remember them showing this to me, and I was thinking, yeah, I would like to look at that because that's insane. How's the centering? Let's check that. Yeah, the centering looks all right. Maybe it's off just a little bit there. No blade play, up, down, left, or right. Centering can probably be fixed. Well, if it is off just a little bit, it can probably be fixed by turning that pivot. No big deal. I know it should come centered, but as far as issues that a knife can have, that's one of my least concerning. Yeah, everything looks great. I imagine these come in a few different forms, right? So you can get a couple different anno flavors. I don't know about finishes, though. Anyways, that's kind of neat. I don't know what else to say. I will do a full video on this. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. It's not a review at all. Thanks so much to Kansept for sending this in. Like I said, links for this and Kansept knives right down in the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex if you enjoyed this video. Leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.